convert entities. Convert entities, it converts the previous or back sketches into present sketch. So first we will make one sketch. So choose top plane, sketch, and select circle. Okay. Now exit from this sketch. Now our one sketch is created. Now we want to sketch another sketch. So select same plane, front plane, sketch. Now we want to make one circle. So no need to choose and draw one circle. Just select this plane and select convert entities. So in the same plane, one more planes are created. Exit. See here, two planes are created. If you will hide one plane, hide. So this is second plane showing here. Just select first plane. I'll show one more thing. Go to feature, select extruded boss. Okay. Assign any color. Now see, this is our one plane created. So select this top plane. Choose sketch. Now we want to create one more circle in the same plane. So I will not going to take circle and draw one circle. I'll just select this surface or select this line. Choose convert entities. See, the one line converted, this previous line converted into this plane. So this is the mainly use of convert entities. We will see in future where and how we will use in our projects. I hope you like it.